Guys, welcome to Top Fuel 4 Gear for the 2025 SCDRL Spring Nationals. We got 6 cars entered in this one this time. So we had 6 in 3 gear, 6 in 4 gear, and we'll see what happens. I mean, there is some pretty fast 4 gears out there. So it's a little bit of a short field, but hopefully you guys are at home building, seeing what you can do. So first up in the right lane, we got Stuart Barber with the Don Garlites funny car. Going to be running in the right lane. Very cool looking car. And in the left lane, we got Chris White's Dumpster Fire, which I believe we saw that car earlier in Top Eliminator. So here we go. First round qualifying. Right lane goes 504 with a 9. Left lane goes 730 with a 2. So great way to kick things off for Stuart Barber. 504. Pretty quick pass. It's a real good looking car. Great run by Chris White also. Next up we got Elliot Watson, Lime Lightning in the right lane. Running up against Stuart Barber's Mickey Thompson Grand Am funny car out of Kansas. All right, here we go in the left lane. All right, guys, drivers are bumped in. Here we go. All right, left lane takes that one, runs a 530. Right lane goes 856 with a 6. Another good pass by Stuart. Good job on Elliot. I believe Elliot is 6 years old. We love seeing kind of the next generation checking out what we're doing, so we appreciate you. Next up, John Marcotte, right lane, got Goose. Going to run up against Cornhole, Keith Atkinson out of Illinois. So these cars we're running in Top Eliminator. They should look familiar to you guys. Should be a pretty good matchup here. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Oh, looks like John takes that one, runs a 767 with a 9. Keith goes 0.9566. Definitely looking for more out of that one. I'm going to go ahead and get these tires cleaned from the bottom up. Make sure no braid cars. And we will just jump right back into round number 2. So 4 gears can be a little bit intimidating because they do have so many gears, but as you can see with Stuart's cars, you can still make them run very, very good. And we have the chicken agrees, so pretty sweet. Okay, next up, Stuart Barber, left lane this time, ran a 504 last hit. Our provisional pole. Going to be looking for a little bit more. Right lane ran a 730 with a 2, and that's going to be Dumpster Fire, Chris White out of Ohio. Here we go, guys. Left lane goes 482, so even quicker. 42 with a 1. Right lane, very consistent, runs a 733 with a 5. So Stuart does raise that bar. Let's get these cars up. We'll get our next ones out. So we got Elliot Watson, left lane this time. Ran an 856 earlier. Up against Stuart Barber's Mickey Thompson Grand Am funny car, ran a 530 earlier. So he's going to be looking to get a little more out of that one. And we drop the pin. We're all good. Sam's in position. Let's hit it. Right lane goes a little quicker, runs a 522 with a 6. Left lane, best pass of the weekend for him, 823 with a 1. So that car is still getting faster. Great job to Elliot and to Stuart. Let's see who is up next. John Marcotte got Goose in the left lane, ran a 767 earlier. Running up against Cornhole, Keith Atkinson ran a 956 earlier. They are both going to be looking to improve. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Left lane does improve, goes 746 with the 4. Right lane goes quicker also, 936.8. So great job for both of those guys. Let's get these down and see what we got going here. So just so we can get our setup. So congrats to Stuart Barber. The 482 is our number 1 qualifier. So in that slick Don Garlites funny car, looks like number 2 is going to be also Stuart Barber, the 522. Number 3, this is where it starts getting close. So we had a 746. Looks like Dumpster Fire is going to be number 3 with a 730 with a 2. Next up will be John Marcotte with a 746. Then in 5th, we have Elliot Watson, 823. And rounding out at 6 is Keith Atkinson in Cornhole. Let me write those on the ladder here. Let's see, Keith. We're almost done with this one, and then there's only 2 more left. We'll run tomorrow. That's it. All right, guys, we're back with our Top Fuel ladder set. So you could check up there. We got Stuart Barber, number 1 qualifier, running Keith Atkinson for first round. We got Stuart Barber running Elliot first round. And then moving on down, we got Chris running John. So it could be an all Stuart Barber final, but you never know. These guys could knock them out. So anything can happen. It's Top Fuel 4 gear. Right lane, first pair going to be Stuart Barber running up against Keith Atkinson in Cornhole. Anything can happen. It's Top Fuel. Here we go, round 1. And right lane, Stuart Barber takes it with a 482 with a 6. 482 with a 6. So almost runs exactly the same as what he ran to TQ, which was a 481 with a 2. Great run. Next up, we have Stuart's Mickey Thompson Grand Am. Ran a 522 earlier. He will be in the right lane. Running up against Elliot Watson. Ran an 823. Was, I believe, his best pass so far. Here we go. Stuart Barber takes it with a 503, so he picks up even more out of that car. It's getting faster and faster. Elliot runs an 830, so nothing to be ashamed of there with an 830. Just could use a little bit more, a couple tenths. Right lane next up, Dumpster Fire, running consistent 730s. Up against John Marcotte, ran a 760 and a 746. So this could be a very, very close race. Drivers are staged. They are 2-stepping. Let's go. Right lane takes that one with a 721. 721 to a 730 with a 6. So that was a very, very good drag race. We have 4,000ths victory right there. So we even had a hole shot on the left side, which is what made it a lot closer than it really was. Chris is moving on. So next up, Stuart Barber, he does have a bye this round into the final in the right lane. Make sure that thing barely gets the guide pin in there. So this will be a bragging rights pass. That was a great pass. He ran a 522, so 522 that pass. I apologize for beating Sam to the tree.
And you cleared the numbers before I could see them.
Oh my gosh. I need to slow down. Too many energy drinks.
Take it easy.
Okay. Next up, we have Stuart Barber.
That's a better pace.
Okay. We got Stuart Barber's Mickey Thompson funny car running in the right lane up against Chris White's dumpster fire in the left lane. Chris is going to need to pick it up, or he's going to be hoping that Stuart's car jumps out of the slot. But Sam's ready, I'm ready, track's ready. Stuart takes that one with a 510. So the 510 takes it. So it is an all Stuart Barber final. Chris runs another 720 though. Nothing to be ashamed of there. So that is a very, very good pass. So we're going to get these tires cleaned, and Stuart, it's going to be Stuart versus Stuart. Stuart was our winner of the 3-gear class. So here we go, right lane. We got the Don Garlites funny car. I don't know how many years Don Garlites drove funny car, but it wasn't that many, if any. Up against the Mickey Thompson Grand Am funny car. So pretty cool, really, really nice cars there. This is going to be a great final round. This is for all the marbles. Here we go. Right lane takes it with a 466. Left lane slows down to a 511. So Stuart is our first and second place winner of Top Fuel 4-gear. Top Fuel 4-gear. So let's get over the price table and see what kind of stuff Stuart's winning here. All right, let's get this back under the lights. We got some sponsors here. Sam reminded me. Jag Hobbies, DeFalco Design, AFX, Harry Canary Bodies, Enzo Rings, Lucky Bob's Raceway, Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, Radical Slot Car Bodies, Super Tires, HC Slots, Midland Radio, and Viper Scale Racing. So we appreciate all of our sponsors. Let's go ahead and draw for first place for Stuart. Let's see what we got here. So we have a Hot Wheel. Stuart gets the last Hot Wheel. That is for first place. You'll get another drawing. Don't be too disappointed. Next up, second place, Stuart Barber. We have the Auto World Ford Escort. So the Auto World Ford Escort. So Stuart is packing them in right here. So next up, last draw for Stuart. What do we got here? We got the puller, so HC Slots puller. So great haul for Stuart right there. Just wanted to let you guys know, if you had a car in here and you're still wanting a chance at a prize, check out our grand prize video at the very end. And 2, if you guys want to build some fast 4-gear stuff and you're not sure where to start, let us know. We can reach out. A lot of these guys will have no problem helping out or pointing us in the right direction, including Stuart Barber, Keith Atkinson, John Marcotte, Chris White, and Elliot Watson. All those guys, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.